Coffee House, ang mga bagong McCafe Espresso drinks ay mabilis, masarap at mas mura pa kahit saan, kahit kailan.
We are talking to Kababayan Father Anthony Castelo today on the show, giving us tips on how to be a dad. Siya po ang sikat na Filipino performer, Filipino recording artist. Pero kung ang inyo namang tatay, may pagka-Anthony, mala Anthony Castelo na may pagka-groovy, na may pagka-rockstar ang dating, ito naman ang mga gift suggestions namin for them.
Thanks, Janelle, and hello to all Kababayans. It can be so challenging to shop for Dad, but if you want to treat him like a star, I have some great ideas. Treat him like a rock star. Here's our first idea, DJ Hero. This is Guitar Hero, but with a turntable. It's a party-starting social multimedia experience, so Dad will be the life of the party, spinning his own mixes from more than 100 tracks. We think it's the perfect playful rock star gift, and according to the Associated Press, it's the best music-themed video game. It's under $100. Now, if your dad is more like the dapper stars of the hit show Mad Men, we recommend the patented flip-top cocktail shaker from Metro Cane. Get this, you just flip the top closed, shake, flip the top open, and pour. The New York Times says it's a great innovation. It's double-wall stainless steel. It's only $30, and it's available at Bed Bath & Beyond. Now, you know one thing rock star dads don't do? They don't iron. Well, at landsandcanvas.com, you can find wash cotton mesh polos that have that relaxed live-in feel for under $25. And for the more formal dad, landsend.com has no iron button-down shirts that are guaranteed to stay wrinkle-free for at least 25 washings. Now, that's something I like. Now, for the experience of a lifetime, there's Rock and Roll Fantasy Camp. And here to tell us more is legendary drummer Sandy Gennaro. Hi, Sandy.
Kaylee.
Great to be with you.
How you doing?
You've played with so many people, Joan Jett, Bo Diddley, Cyndi Lauper. Tell us why Dad is going to love Rock Fantasy Camp and what you do there.
Well, Dad will love the Rock and Roll Fantasy Camp because he gets to play, he gets to rehearse, he gets to record with rock stars such as Steven Tyler of Aerosmith, Roger Daltrey of The Who, Cheap Trick, Paul Stanley of Kiss, and there's a bunch of other rock star counselors that personally maintain the level of musicianship that's necessary, and you don't really need to be a great musician to be part of the rock camp.
Wow, that sounds great. Well, go to our website at nexpert.com for some more ideas, and have a wonderful Father's Day.
Thank you, Kathleen. And you heard him laughing earlier, ang atin pong original rockstar dad, rockstar, kababayan rockstar dad, Anthony Castelo. Anthony, we were talking to you earlier, giving us tips on, you know, how to be a good father. But you know what? Before we go on, we have a surprise for you because your son, you were talking about him earlier, Carlo, is actually Marco is actually on the line.
You're kidding.
No.
Oh, he's supposed to be at work. What's he doing on the line?
He is on the line. Is he here? I think he wants to send his Father's Day message to you. Marco, magandang hapon sa'yo.
What's up, Dad?
Sup?
Hi.
Nagtatrabaho ka dapat, ah.
Yeah, I actually stepped out for a bit. I'm in the car.
Okay, good.
Just to make the call. How are you doing?
Thank you. I'm okay. You're supposed to be here.
I know. I'm sorry I couldn't be there.
Marco, your Father's Day message for your dad, Anthony.
Dad, I love you so much. I'm really glad you're here right now. I was glad that we spent your birthday together as a family, and I'm glad you're here for Father's Day coming up. Love you.
Marco, you know what?
Thank
If
you,
there's one thing you love about your dad, what is it?
That really, over everything other than him being a kind dad, a loving dad, is really that he loves the Lord.
Your son loves you because you love the Lord. And if there's one thing you think that your dad can still improve on as a father, what is it?
Wala na improvement na kailangan.
Meron ba?
Cooking skills. I'm just kidding.
Ano daw?
Cooking skills.
Cooking. Cooking. All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Marco. Message for Marco?
For Marco. And maybe to all children.
Children.
That, you know, always remember that your parents will always be there for you, you know, in times of trouble. They're really the ones that care for you, will always love you, no matter what. Kahit na anong kasalanan nyo, o kasalanan, pero mahal pa rin kayo ng mga magulang niyo.
Ayan.
Hindi mawawala yan.
What a wonderful message. And that is how you mentioned earlier, the Lord is with us, no?
Oo.
Kahit anong kasalanan natin.
Oo,
Yeah.
yun ang kasi nga everlasting love ang love ng Panginoon sa atin. Kaya talagang maganda. Sabi nga ng aming Bible teacher, no, si Manny David, brother Manny David, and also Pastor Ralph Pada from our little Christian for our Grace Missionary Fellowship. Sabi niya na ang pagmamahal ng Panginoon sa atin ay walang hanggan. Kahit na masaya tayo, malungkot tayo, He's there always with us. Hindi natin siya nakikita, pero nararamdaman natin siya.
And that said, what is your Father's Day message to all the fathers out there?
To all the fathers.
Yes. Katulad niyo pong mga rockstar dads.
Basta, lagi lang kayong kakanta. Kakantahan niyo yung mga, makikipagkantahan kayo. Always have a party with your children. Ha?
And if there's one advice that you want your kids to remember you by, and also the other kids out there, what is it? Advice about life.
You know what? Always look up to the Lord. Read the Bible. King James Version. Always look up to the Lord because He'll always be there watching you and taking care of you night and day.
Ayan. At ano naman ang maasahan namin sa iyo? The phone number of Anthony is right there on the screen. US and Manila number.
Oh, okay, great.
And I know that
yung mga upcoming mga events. Well, during this, in my trip in the Philippines, I was busy performing in different cities. We had a concert kami ni Victor Wood, si Jun Polistico, and myself.
Right.
Pero last year, and we were supposed to have a series here in LA and in sa buong California, and maybe na hindi naman natuloy dahil hindi available si Jun Polistico. It was supposed to be produced by Baby Batakan. But
abangan namin yan.
Abangan mo na.
And abangan namin ang album mo.
Yung album, it's supposed to be finished by September.
Ayan.
Yung inspirational album, the one that...
Hopefully, you come back here
we can
to promote and launch it here on the show. But for now, thank you so much for gracing us with your presence. Thank you for singing for us. Happy Father's Day to you.
Salamat.
Thank you guys for joining us today on the show. We'll see you again tomorrow. Ako po si Janelle So, ang inyong kababayan dito sa Los Angeles.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Like that?
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Very nice.
Last year, I slipped in the shower and couldn't get up, much less get to the phone and call someone for help. I didn't have Life Alert